Oh man, have you noticed the price of gas going up again? I have. I'm the CyberGuy, and these are the best ways to save money on gas. Gas prices are constantly fluctuating, which is why I'm constantly looking for ways to help you save when it comes to filling up at the pump. One of our viewers wrote in asking about a particular app, and it almost sounded too good to be true until we checked it out, so I want to share it with you. The Upside app offers cash back up to 25 cents a gallon, and for the most part, the app actually delivers. You can browse available offers on the app, claim the offer of your choice, and then go and fill up your gas tank. Be sure to pay with a credit card or a debit card, and then get a receipt for your purchase. You'll need to upload that receipt to the Upside app, and you'll be able to cash out your cash back via PayPal, an e-gift card, or a bank transfer. Now, there are other apps that don't come as highly rated. I left those out. So I do, though, recommend that you join a gas station loyalty program for the station that you frequent the most. A few of the popular ones are Shell Fuel Rewards, 76, Phillips 66, MyConoco, and ExxonMobil Rewards Plus. You can also use a Google Maps app to search for gas, and it's going to list current prices nearby for stations or on your travel route, so you can find the cheapest one to visit. For more easy ways to use tech to save money, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.